So this shop was invisible from the street. Today, it's impossible to ignore. Let me show you how we did it. Same shop, same glass, but one of these versions makes money and the other one doesn't. This is what most shop fronts look like. Plain glass, no message, no branding, definitely no reason to walk in. And the crazy part, this space is prime marketing real estate. Every single person walking past this shop sees nothing. No offer, no identity, no call to action. So we decided to change that. The goal was simple, to turn this plain glass into a 24/7 salesperson. Starting off by planning how the signage would look, then we move on to cleaning of the windows, which is one of the most vital steps of the whole process, because if there is any dirt or dust particles which are left on the windows, that will jeopardize the whole mission. A clean window is of utmost importance. We need to make sure that there is no dirt, no dust particles which will get stuck under our vinyl and potentially cause air bubbles in future. So we need to make sure that it's completely clean, and once the glass surface is clean, then the magic can start. So a friend of mine actually started this business, but he was mainly operating online until he decided to have a place where people can actually come in and sit down. So we offered to do a block out for the top section of the windows where the logo would be placed, and then on the bottom we did full color vinyl stickers. So those full color stickers showing the products which he offers, we also supply that. But for the top, we did a black block out vinyl first, and then we installed cut out vinyl decals for his logo. Look at the difference already. Same shop, but now it's starting to speak. And this is the final result. From empty glass to a full-blown marketing machine. Now the shop tells you who they are what they offer, and why you should walk in. This is why signage matters. You don't get a second chance to make a first impression, especially on a busy street. Great signage doesn't just decorate a space, it drives foot traffic, builds brand trust, and increases sales. Let me know in the comments which version you would like to walk into. And if you're in the signage, printing, or branding industry, this is the kind of transformation your clients actually pay for. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more real world signage transformations. So until next time, take care and see you in the next video. Cheers!